Mom, typical forward messages, good morning, good morning, good morning. And my phone was literally next to my head and ting, 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 ting. Have you heard of Raju Srivastava?
Yes.
Okay, one of my favorite comedians. When Mehak came in, she made me realize there is...
Hi guys, welcome to Social Controller Podcast. My name is Gaurav and we have a very special guest with us today. Most of you must have seen him on Instagram as Tidding and we know him as Tidding Wala Banda. But he actually goes by the name Rohit Bharti, and today we want to speak to him. We want to understand the person behind all these funny memes, all of these jokes and such relatable content. It's incredible what he creates. Today's podcast is going to be all about getting to know him and what inspires him and all of those things as well. So, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much,
Gaurav, for coming and embracing us.
No, thank you so much, Gaurav. I didn't know something like this existed in UAE. I'm so happy that Social Kandura is here, genuinely.
Thank you so much.
So,
pleasure.
Welcome to the field.
Thank you.
You've already started right off the bat.
Yeah.
I can see you've hit like 2-3 sixes in the first over.
Just getting started.
So well done on that first.
Thank you so much. So a lot of people have been seeing your content on Instagram, on Reels, of all the funny thing.
Yeah.
I did read about how the whole name came across. So is that the real story? कि आप सो रहे थे, phone बजा and you're like ting ting ting, अरे यार यही नाम रख दो.
हाँ, मैं झूठ क्यों बोलूँगा मैं. नाम ऐसा है कि yeah, the thing is because पहले I wanted a very UAE based name.
Right.
तो पहले मैंने लिखा था like 800 Dubai, funny
Okay.
Dubai comedy, all of this I had thought.
Right.
But then I was like, it's just not fitting. It's just not fitting.
Mix नहीं आ रहा है.
And then just as the story goes, when I was sleeping on my desk, रात में 4:30-5 बज रहे थे, इंडिया में 6:30. Mom, typical forward messages, good morning, good morning, good morning. And my phone was literally next to my head and ting, 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 ting.
So
And
like
then my light bulb sound was ting.
So that's the history of the name, guys. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, like a lot of people think of a lot of funny scenarios. बट जो आपके दिमाग में रहता है वर्सेस जो आप एग्जीक्यूट करते हो, इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक एटलीस्ट फॉर अस इट्स कंप्लीटली हम सोचते हैं यार पता है ये करेंगे, ऐसा करेंगे, वो करेंगे. जब हम शूट करके रहते हैं लाइक
Something
ये
else.
क्या बना दिया हमने.
I know.
बट आप जो काम करते हो, लाइक व्हेन यू लुक एट द एंड रिजल्ट, इट इज सो पॉलिश्ड, इट इज सो प्रॉपर.
But that's
कैसे करते
not
हो?
so. वो अभी क्या होता है, genuinely that's just with practice. So
Right.
अब तो थोड़ा सा मैं पढ़ने लग गया हूँ about something called as screenplay. So
Right.
you know where your camera is kept, you know what the script is going to be,
Correct,
you know actor को क्या acting करनी है. तो अब
Right.
थोड़ा सा उसमें पता चल रहा है मुझे. But when I started just by practicing sketches by myself where I myself am 4 characters.
Oh wow.
तो when I made it, तो पहले मुझे एक सिंपल सा sketch बनाना था that used to come out up to 5-6 minutes. And I'm like ये क्या है? Why am I boring everybody? What is this?
6 मिनट का लंबा.
हाँ, and back then it was YouTube, right? So when I started trading, it was 2016.
Okay.
तो मैं तब उतना बनाता था. So वो करते प्रैक्टिस करते then I realized, कि पंच यहाँ पर आना चाहिए, premise joke का सेट हो गया है. This is where you need to end. इससे ज़्यादा तुमने stretch किया, खत्म. हाँ, जो खत्म, आगे बढ़ो. Leave people on a high.
बट आप वो रेलेवेंस कैसे पकड़ते हो, लाइक रिलेटिंग फनी थिंग्स टू थिंग्स दैट इज हैपनिंग इन द मोमेंट. वो हाउ डू कनेक्ट दैट?
So it's observational comedy. Like, have you heard of Raju Srivastava?
Yes.
ठीक है, one of my favorite comedians. Okay, he's no more obviously, but I absolutely have adored him over the ages. And he does observational comedy, where he used to, मतलब जो सामने दिख रहा है ना, वही कॉमेडी है. So उसमें क्या क्या होता है, क्या क्या नहीं होता है, आप कैसे उसको फिट कर सकते हो. That's how the game is. अभी जितने भी कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हैं, सब कोई ऑब्जर्वेशनल कॉमेडी ही कर रहा है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे.
Correct, हाँ.
मेरा नीश सिर्फ ये हो गया इज बिकॉज आई रियलाइज यूएई में एज सच नहीं था कोई कॉमेडी करने वाला. मतलब मे बी पीपल वर देयर बट मे बी दे वर डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस. एटलीस्ट आई डिडंट स्पॉट एनीबॉडी हु वाज डूइंग इन हिंदी, उर्दू और इंग्लिश पर से.
Correct.
So then I took that over and then suddenly making a fine joke, making a salik joke, all of those jokes. Suddenly we're like, अरे ये तो कितना funny है. ये you have gone through this.
Right, and you can relate it. And
Yeah.
when we see most of the content is there's so many shares, people are sharing everywhere, people are doing all of those things. So जब आप वो देख रहे थे, how was it looking for you कि like यार मैंने कि एक तो होता है कि आपने content बनाया, you put it, चलो ठीक है इतने views आ गए हो गए, that is one thing. The second is when you see people sharing it so much. अरे यार मैं तो उसको जानता हूँ, अरे ये तो ये बंदा है. What is that feeling? How did that, मतलब what was the point where you said कि यार यहाँ से just kicked off?
I feel it was kicked off तो हुआ when my wife Mehak, she took over trading.
Okay.
Because I'll be honest, I started this
So
page.
you're playing it safe. अगर घर जाके पिटाई नहीं खा
नहीं,
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
नहीं, आई एम नॉट जस्ट सेइंग फॉर द हेक ऑफ इट.
Yeah.
लिटरली प्रूफ है. आप टिडिंग के 2021 के पहले के जाके व्यूज देखो,
Right.
एंड 2021 के बाद में जाके व्यूज. द कंटेंट इज द सेम.
Right.
मैं 2016 में भी स्केचेस और मीम्स बनाता था.
Correct.
मैं 2023 करंटली भी स्केचेस और मीम्स बनाता हूँ.
Correct.
इट्स जस्ट दैट हर स्ट्रेटजीज वर्कड आउट बिकॉज शी अंडरस्टैंड्स स्ट्रेटजी मोर देन आई डू. आई एम अ कंटेंट ओरिएंटेड पर्सन. अभी हम लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, एक मीम मैं सोच सकता हूँ, एक कॉमेडी स्केच में सोच सकता हूँ, मैं वो बना सकता हूँ.
Correct.
अब उस पे क्या ट्रेंड जाना है, या उस पे
Exactly.
कब पोस्ट करना है, या व्हाई शुड यू नॉट बी डूइंग दिस, दैट इज महक's डिपार्टमेंट.
Correct.
So I realized when she took over around in 2020 2021 post pandemic, I think that is where the calling was, when I realized कि अरे भाई कि
This is what you want to do.
when clients started coming in ना, क्योंकि मैं तो ये मस्ती के लिए 2012 से मेरे पेज पे कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Correct.
मुझे तो
Exactly.
कंटेंट करते 10-11 साल हो गए, बट आई हैव नेवर थॉट ऑफ इट एज कि ये तो बिजनेस हो सकता है.
Right.
या फिर नेवर हैड द गट्स टू जंप इनटू इट कंप्लीटली.
Exactly, हाँ.
यू नो यू आर एन एक्सपर्ट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे.
Correct.
तुमको जॉब चाहिए, तुमको वीजा चाहिए,
चाहिए,
तुमको
exactly.
सैलरी चाहिए, तुम्हारा दीवा जा रहा है, तुम्हारा सालिक जा रहा है,
Rent जा रहा है.
बिना मतलब के फाइन आ रहा है, रेंट जा रहा
Exactly,
है.
हाँ.
सो यू नो ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स आर देयर. हर महीने कटने वाला तुम्हारा
Correct.
जेन्युइनली इन बोथ द वेज, राइट?
Both the scenes.
Right. So I would never take that risk. But when Mehak came in, she made me realize there is a business side to it. So she took it towards the business side, and I realized that income touchwood, ऐसा income generate शुरू हुआ. I was like, you know what? This can be
Let's
done
go.
full-fledged. So she quit what she was doing. She took it 100% ahead.
Right.
So and that's where I realized कि you know what? क्योंकि पहला क्लाइंट जो था हमारा, फर्स्ट एवर क्लाइंट दैट वी गॉट पेड फॉर, हमने पहला वीडियो किया था 500 दिरहम में.
Okay.
First ever, you know, when we started off.
When you started.
And by that time my page is already, again मैंने 2016 में चालू किया है.
Right.
So मुझे 6-7 साल हो गए और मुझे पहला वीडियो करने के लिए 500 दिरहम मिल रहे. So मैं was always like यार we need to scale up. In my head I'm like अरे 500 दिरहम मिल रहे हैं because मैंने तो पैसे देखे नहीं है ना कि
Exactly,
कंटेंट से
हाँ.
पैसे आते मुझे तो
कैसे
पता ही
आते
नहीं.
हैं, हाँ,
हाँ.
it's impossible, हाँ.
So when she took it over, when it started going ahead, when I started seeing the money come in, or rather we didn't have to approach the client. The client started approaching us, and then the sketches that I am writing, she made sure that she sells it to the client.
Right.
So client की भी खुशी है, मेरी भी खुशी है, because I am very content oriented.
Exactly.
कि मेरा
Your
वीडियो
focus is only on the content.
जनता को मजा आना चाहिए बस.
Correct, yeah.
That is the aim. My aim is that her aim is the video should do well, at the same time client की commitment पूरी होनी चाहिए.
Exactly.
So and that is where we meet in between. That is where the money happens.
Correct.
At the end of the day, that is what, as an again
As a
why I'm
content creator,
yeah.
that's your only. मतलब कि make sure कि whatever that you're creating somehow merges and works with the whole thing. That's the most important.
बस सिंपल, वो मेरे लिए वर्क करना चाहिए, दैट इज नंबर 1.
Correct.
बट शी ब्रॉट इन दैट एंगल ऑफ कि क्लाइंट के लिए भी वर्क करना चाहिए, बिकॉज देन व्हेन क्लाइंट अदर क्लाइंट सी अदर
then they
ब्रांड
like
सी दे
you.
लाइक यू नो
I want
व्हाट
something like this.
या ये ऐसा, ये जो हरकत एज यू सेड ना कि ट्रेडिंग वाला बंदा, दैट इज व्हाट कि यू नो ये स्केच चाहिए.
Correct.
आई माइट बी द 5th or the 10th or the 15th पेज इन द क्लाइंट लिस्ट, बट आई नो आई विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ डिफरेंट पेज
Differently.
कि ये कुछ स्केच टाइप करेगा.
But do you think you know brands के spends, marketing spends या फिर market जितने भी, जैसे in the past 2 to 3 years that we've seen, it's going more towards content creators, influencers, different type की चीजें. आपको लगता है कि traditional form of advertising is slowly dying, even digital for that matter is slowly dying?
So creators, it is 100% shifting.
Yeah.
The money is coming to creators because Abhi, since I'm also in the group of creators, we kind of hang out, we meet, we know
Right.
people, and I'm seeing people quitting their jobs and doing this
And
full
working
time.
this full-time,
That
huh.
means they are able to get that much money what they were getting in their previous jobs.
Exactly.
And it's a good amount of money.
Correct.
So I can see the shift मेरे आंखों के सामने, not reading in the papers and all of that. So वो हो रहा है.
हाँ.
And therefore obviously the budget has to shift from somewhere ना. Brands के पास extra पैसे तो कहीं से नहीं आ रहे.
Correct. हाँ.
So
They have to move around with those
so आपका obviously traditional media move हो रहा है. The first thing that is already being killed is market में is TV, because TV anyway syndicated content आता है बाहर से.
Correct.
यहाँ पर बहुत कम produce होता है.
localized content कुछ.
Very less producer, and that's been the case since the beginning in this market, for this market especially.
Correct,
Then comes print. Now print also is trying to move towards digital.
Right. हाँ.
So पहले जहाँ पर उनका front page ad डालने के लिए, you know, a page would have charged 30,000 dirhams. Now they'll be okay with 10 or 12,000 dirhams.
Exactly, हाँ.
And
Slowly it's dying out as well.
And that's a
People
huge
have
shift.
Exactly.
That's a huge shift.
Exactly.
So it is evident, and look at you, Social Kandura, for instance.
Exactly.
Like
Right.
I just met you, like a few months ago.
Correct,
And
yeah.
here you are, you set up an office. हम लोग बैठ के podcast कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
2 कैमरा के साथ बैठा हूँ मैं, setup के साथ. Like this is brilliant.
Yeah. Yes, of course, there's definitely shift जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं. But जैसे when was the first time when you got the first client and whether you like it, because a lot of content creators now, they look at your page, they look at other content creators, they're like, yaar देख ये भी कर रहा है, let me try to do it, let me try to do it. A lot of people will try to imitate what you're doing. And उनको लगता है कि यार अगर इसने ऐसा किया ना, I'll just copy what he's doing and I'll reach the same levels of success.
Yeah.
That is one good thing and a bad thing. This imitation is the best form of flattery. तो अगर आपको कोई copy कर रहा है, then you're like,
Yeah.
how do you deal with that as a content creator? मान लो आपने कुछ एक specific skit सोचा and you're like, what, ये ऐसे बैठ रहा है, आपने बनाया, and immediately you see someone else doing the same thing.
Yeah.
So how do you एक मन में रहता है ना यार shit ये मैंने किया था तू copy कर रहा है. How does that happen with, especially because comedy here there are only like 3-4 people that are doing it. Plus I've seen a lot of brands that forcefully try to fit them in that trend.
Yeah, true.
So how does that work?
So when you see someone copying your content,
Yeah.
I'll be very honest, ये because I've handled multiple number of pages. मेरे पास मेरा Bollywood वाला page है, मेरे पास मेरा individual page है, मेरे पास trading है, so multiple pages, and this happens on multiple pages.
Right.
कि आपने कोई अच्छा idea किया, आपने upload किया, and then उसके बाद you see people picking it up.
Correct.
ठीक है, that way. The only answer to that is you accept it. Yeah.
Right.
Because
Just take it और कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है यार ले लो.
करो,
Because
कुछ
what happens ना, it bothers you so much.
हाँ.
तुम mentally and in this day and age ना, you don't want to be mentally tired.
Right.
क्योंकि आपका जो पैसा और आपका जो खर्चा हो रहा है, आपका जो भी आपको मिलने वाला है, everything is going to be from here.
Right.
And if you are not free here now,
Nothing
if you are letting someone else occupy that space, you are screwed. Yeah. So you accept, ठीक है उसने उठा लिया, अब क्या कर सकते हैं?
कुछ नहीं.
खलास,
Move on to the
आगे
next
बढ़ो.
one.
Move on to the next one. तुम्हारा next content क्या है? This has happened constantly. TikTok पे the whole TikTok is running on this thing. एक बंदे ने एक ट्रेंड बना लिया है. यहाँ पर यूएई में बंदी ने
भागने वाला
क्लैप
पीछे.
क्लैप, हाँ भागने वाला इंडिया में जो ट्रेंड बना.
Exactly,
ठीक है,
हाँ.
बट यूएई वाला जो ट्रेंड था, जो I forgot her name, जो क्लैप 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 कर रही है and she does the shades down.
Shades down,
That trend
हाँ.
was going on.
Correct.
Now it's called as a trend कि हर एक कोई उठा रहा है, हर एक कोई कर रहा है, वो लोग सिर्फ कैप्शन चेंज कर रहे हैं.
Right.
And that therefore it becomes so easy to create content. So in the beginning पहले अगर कोई ये करता था, it would have been called as कि वो कॉपी कर रहा है. पर अब तुम ट्रेंड फॉलो कर रहे हो,
Now
so
you're
it's
following the
okay.
trend. हाँ.
बट अगर तुमने एग्जैक्टली वही कैप्शन ले लिया, वही पीओवी, वही टेक्स्ट के ऊपर जो लिखा है, वीडियो पे लिखा है, वही ले लिया,
Yeah.
देन तो खलास ना.
But how did the shift happen from radio? Because I know that you're big on radio. Radio was something that was.
Yeah.
तो अब radio से उधर कैसे, like, how did that shift happen?
So 2010 में I started my working career from radio. 2010 में I was working for Radio Mirchi Mumbai as a copywriter. मुझे अभी भी लिखना बहुत पसंद है.
Nice.
My favorite thing to do is like
Writing.
I feel writing is the foundation. उसके बिना बिल्डिंग खड़ी नहीं हो सकती जब तक आप लिखोगे नहीं, जब तक.
Okay.
तो I started as a copywriter. उसके बाद I moved to Dubai in 2012. I worked for Radio Spice, one radio station which doesn't exist anymore. Then उसके बाद I worked for Suno 1024, another radio station,
Okay.
which is now Mirchi.
They
And then
renamed it.
yeah, they मतलब franchise change हो गया.
Right.
Then उसके बाद when I moved from Suno 1024, it was in 2016 or something.
Correct.
2015 के आसपास, जब मुझे यूएई में अराउंड 4 साल हो गए थे, और मैंने देखा कि यहाँ पर जो कंटेंट आ रहा है is majorly only new content, और local content is only either print or radio. टीवी तो नहीं हो रहा था. So there was no entertainment as such, because रेडियो पर भी क्या होता है, once you hear a joke, you've heard it, where do you find it again? If you want to, if I want to share with you, if I hear an RJ talking and I see if I hear what a great joke, you have a great insight, and I share that thing with you, like how do I share?
Correct. हाँ.
So and therefore I was like, you know what, there is a whole digital space, पूरा there is like whole पूरा scope है यहाँ पर digital का.
Big gap. हाँ.
Therefore I started trading, and then I started like litmus test मैंने किया, where I started just putting out memes, just simple memes, captions on using
Normal text.
normal text, all of that. Then audio video, जो Bollywood songs उठा के थोड़ा सा memes.
Correct, हाँ.
I just started doing that, and I realized कि there is a footfall coming in. I can see people coming
Traction
in.
coming in.
Yeah. And then in around and maybe 2017 or maybe 2016 end, I made my first sketch. And the first sketch in the first week had 1 million views.
Wow.
And that was very scary, because what happened, that video was a driving test in UAE. getting your driving license in UAE. It was funny, it was hilarious, people loved it. Hey, you know, very relatable. It is difficult to get a driving license, blah blah blah, and all of that.
RTA.
And I was like very happy, you know, people are finding it nice. They're like, chalo, this is working. So that means there is a future of content in this market. But pehle hafte ke first week we enjoyed it. Second week I started seeing comments where people started tagging RTA and Dubai police, and I'm like, oh my god, my intention is just to purely make you guys laugh.
Yeah,
so we made sure from that, we learned from that, and we made sure there's a very thin line here about making content and disrespecting, because यहाँ पर हमारे cultural values, हमारे heritage के ऊपर and all that, you cannot really make fun, and that is great thing. You know, you have to have
you have that boundary set.
Yeah, you don't have to punch down comedy. सिर्फ ऊपर की तरफ comedy तुम कर रहे हो, and you rather make something that the whole family can watch.
Correct.
Why do you want to make something
nice comedy?
Yeah, why do you want to get into that zone? So I made sure Tidding's whole umbrella branding was that we made that it is always has to be like a family can watch.
Correct.
That is the whole umbrella
the
branding.
Whole set everybody.
And there is no issues with the government or the company or public in general. They shouldn't feel offended. So you avoid that topic.
So it's even more shareable content as well, that you can create. More people can reach out by you're sharing with family, you're sharing with friends, you're sharing with cousins, and
therefore certainly when the brands come in now, they go back and they check. By the way, the brands do this. So they go, they check your YouTube, they check your TikTok, they check your Twitter. We had a brand checking our Twitter कि तुमने अभी तक क्या किया है. Like because you know on Twitter you're a bit more open about things, a bit more complaining about things and all of that. But luckily we are not in that zone.
Amazing. So one of these brands are coming in. What type of brands excite you the most? क्या आपको कौन सा brand होता है like यार shit ये करना मजा है?
So young brands जो होते हैं who are okay with breaking that cycle of, you know, typical advertorial content.
Correct.
Like they are okay with like, you know, me doing a sketch and bringing in brand only in the 10% of the video, like having 90% of content. Like हमने किया था, like one of my favorite sketches is we had made a sketch, a parody of Gabbar Singh, where we put Gabbar Singh in Russell Khema. You know, and Gabbar is angry because he's three goons. They go to Dubai and they come back and they finish his salik. So he starts with कि कितने salik gate थे.
Nice.
And you know, so it was a 3-minute sketch, 2.5 minute sketch.
Yeah.
So for 2 minutes, it's the whole content where Gabbar is angry, blah blah blah, here and that.
That keeps the people hooked.
Yeah, that keeps the people hooked. And in the end is the client, and the client was a holy event which was happening in JLT.
Okay.
So it was with an event agency.
Right. So like
that was one of my favorite, because this was in 2017, 2018, and the client agreed to it, even though knowing that they are only paying for like their name. Only 20%.
That is the form of marketing that works. So, अगर आप बोलोगे यार ये पानी पियो, people will be like, they know it's advertorial.
Yeah, but unfortunately brands don't agree. I'll be very honest with you.
They want to have as much.
Yeah. Like we in UAE, we are still good 3 to 4 years behind as to what's happening in the US or per se India. India's digital market, Pakistan's digital market is booming like crazy.
Brands are spending big money.
Yeah. So in this market we are still behind, and it's not, market will change purely on the brands, and brands will only take call on when your CEOs or your marketing managers have that vision about their brand.
It's from the people, so grassroots level all the way to the top people as well.
Like I'll give an example about the brand Talabat, for instance.
Right.
Now if you see Talabat's marketing, like they are out there with it.
Yes.
They are, तुमको trend करना है, you do a trend. You want to do a parody, you do a parody. You want to do a sketch, you do a sketch.
You stay on top of it.
Stay on top of it as long as my brand is mentioned, but subtly.
Exactly, not in your face.
And we've had an experience with them, so obviously we've seen their work, and then when we started working with them, we've seen, and like their approvals come in very quickly. They're okay with taking a risk as long as we are not offending anybody. You know, we are being under the rules
properly done.
Yeah, all of that, and we are following their guidelines. They have some brand guidelines, and they're okay with it. So far, we've had probably the most number of exciting works that we have done with Talabat. Like they were okay with having a parody of a song that we made. There was a Hindi song called Mantu Talabat. Mantu Talabat, tu Man Talabat.
Correct.
We presented it to them. They were okay with it. We made the whole parody.
Wow.
Where the song was like Mil tu Talabat, tu Mil Talabat. Where the person is waiting for his food to arrive.
Yeah. Interesting. So also a lot of people who, you know, like we said that you aspire a lot of people. You know, a lot of people think, yaar, I thought about this, usne kar diya. You know? What is your messages to those people who are still waiting कि यार मुझे करना है, I want to start this, I want to do this, because there's a lot of avenues that people can make a full-time career out of,
Yeah,
right?
true.
And content creation is which is a very massive thing that is picking up. A lot of people try to be content creators.
Yeah.
What is your message for them? Like, where do they start? How do they start? उसका मतलब what is the whole thing?
There is this saying called कि हिंदी में कि शुभ काम में देरी क्यों, ठीक
100%,
है?
yeah.
You have an idea, you have a content piece that you want to do. The time is literally right now. Like,
Go for it.
yeah, like if you see something, if you see a trend happening and you think you have a joke on it, you go, you produce it right now. You don't have to have a great camera. You don't have to have great whatever you're wearing. You don't have to have great lighting. Just the basics and your content will work. And the South Asian market is a proof of that.
Yes.
People are sitting in their villages. People are like that
Just
guy.
common
Yeah,
camera phone. There's nothing special about it, but the
Khalas, who's that dancer guy? So starts with K. He's in Kenya or somewhere. The African Kili Paul.
Killy Paul. No.
He is in a village.
Correct.
He's in a village and he is dancing. You know, you can see he's in traditional attire. I'm not saying कि वहाँ पर internet connection नहीं है and all that. Obviously,
Exactly,
it's
हाँ.
there everywhere right now.
Yeah.
But you can see where he is, and he started with just dancing on simple Bollywood trends here and there.
And then it just picked up, yeah.
Last year he was invited at Meta's event in India,
Wow.
creators event in
Wow.
India,
Yeah.
and he's doing extremely well, hitting on million views, getting brand,
Getting everybody,
revenue.
yeah,
So the
exactly.
time is now. If you think you've got it, and the thing is, you do it for yourself. If you
Right.
start doing it for people, now if you become a people pleaser, you will
not
never be
getting
able to have true calling because then you are dependent on views. अगर मेरे views अच्छे आएंगे तो ही मैं content करूँगा. That is the worst formula possible.
Yes, you have to focus on कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, मैं
Khalas,
करूँगा.
khalas.
हाँ.
I have tried that. In the beginning, when I started making videos, when I started getting views, I was like, you know what, chalo.
This works, huh?
Yeah, works. And then I started constantly doing just that. But I was like, I was losing my authenticity, yaar.
End of the day, people follow you for you.
Khalas.
आपका क्या है?
हाँ,
But not
that's
like the numbers. I think numbers and views and followers, they
It will
just come
come.
through.
It will come.
Focus on what you're doing.
You have that line of Amir Khan ना कि success झक मार के पीछे आएगी. Focus
Exactly.
on excellence.
Correct.
It is genuinely that. Just be yourself.
And
Create
be
the
good
con-
at what you do.
Khalas.
Yeah.
You will become good. No, you cannot. That's the thing. You cannot become good in the first place itself.
Slowly.
Slowly तुमको पता चलेगा that you are good. Someone else will tell you, your views will tell you,
Yeah.
everything will tell you that you are becoming good with time. अगर अपने को already पता ना कि हाँ अपन तो अच्छे ही, अपन तो धमाल
फिर you're
है,
done.
then you are not growing, no.
हाँ, तो
Then-
एक stagnation पे आ जाता है
खलास.
वो. Interesting. Thank you so much for sharing insights. Thank you so much for having us. It was absolutely pleasure having you here and talking about some of the insights. So any messages to people that are watching, keep following, anything on the back end, any new thing that you're coming up with?
New thing का तो you'll have to speak with महक.
मैं खाली content बनाऊंगा,
बस
बाकी
खत्म.
सब तुम देख लो.
मैडम बोलती है रोहित, this is the strategy. What can you do? I was like, here is the
Here you
content.
go.
What can we do? You think?
Fair,
So
fair.
for the future, she is doing literally personal future also. वो ही देख रही है.
Exactly.
And बाकी there is no message as such. As I said, you have to be loving what you do.
Correct.
It'll come very naturally. It'll come very naturally. I live and breathe Bollywood, for example.
Nice.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
And touch wood, because of my job, I get to meet a lot of these Bollywood personalities
yeah.
and all of that.
Yeah.
And when I sit with them, I don't feel like they're celebrities because because of the anecdotes that I have, because of the information that I have,
Yeah.
I can talk to them, and I love that. And it's because I'm digressing a bit, but the whole point here is because I love what I do, I have gotten that access. And
Right.
you know, I don't preach about it. I don't make vlogs about it that I've met them or all of that.
But it's, you know, you've
yeah, and I really like doing that.
Got
And then on the side, because I like making Bollywood content, I like making people laugh. My like, you know, that foundation of my content, चाहे वो Tidding हो, चाहे वो Vivid Bharati हो, चाहे there's another 2-3 pages that I run. Any of those pages, my baseline is that people should smile, people should laugh,
happy,
be happy when they see my content. That's it.
Before we close, how did Rohit Bharti become Vivid Bharti on Instagram? How did that happen? I'm so curious to know now.
2010, I started working for Radio Mirchi, my first ever job. Back then, I was making my Twitter handle.
Correct.
Okay, so because I was working, because my full name is Rohit Bharti,
Right.
and my boss that used to call me, Rohit, you are very different, you are very vivid. She had this thing, or you are very vivid. So and
Vivid
because
Bharti.
and because I'm in radio, so it's a play on word of Vivid Bharti.
Oh, okay.
So that's why
okay.
Vivid Bharti came into being.
Very creative.
And then I didn't go away from there. I made everything Vivid Bharti.
Very
I feel I should have kept Rohit Bharti because
so everyone-
because लोग को लगता है मेरा नाम Vivid है.
Exactly, like, hey, Vivid, what's up?
And I'm like, you know what? It's still
I'm
better
very
than
vivid.
yeah, it's still better than people calling me, hey, trading wala banda.
Tiding wala banda, yeah.
Which I think actually is a good compliment.
It's a good compliment.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like people calling you Tiding wala banda is like at least your brand message in this thing has worked perfect.
Yeah,
People
there's a
know.
competition. There was a competition going on between me and Mehak. And so it's a constant competition. So when someone spots me outside, and if they say Tiding or if they say Vivid, if they say Vivid, it's my point.
Yeah.
That yes, my content. If they say Tiding, it's her point. It's an ongoing competition.
Chalo, thank you so much. Absolute pleasure. And I think, yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this podcast. Stay tuned for more and do share this video with all of his followers and everybody else who want to know more of him in detail as well. See you on the next one.